banks did some, private equity houses, doing multiple deals on 10, 15 on business were clearly overvalued, etc. And we're looking at deals where, you know, we're paying a multiple of 2 to 3 on some of these businesses. It's not big things, and you know, there's an exit route there at mostly 5 to 6 within 2 to 3 years. You know, there's a good business case for it. How you free up this money into the marketplace, whether it needs government intervention, I don't know what the government can do to help.
You know, government to do what? I mean, to build roads, to provide education, safety net, absolutely. But commercial decisions, this country and you know, all countries are built on the backs and the sweat of entrepreneurs who are prepared to go out there and be incredibly brave, incredibly diligent, and take a risk. But with that risk, you know, we've assumed that there's only one trend, and that's up. And actually, there's another, you know, if you like, direction, and it's down. And recently, we've seen a rebalancing. And when people are leveraged, you know, very basically, you think about your own sort of mortgage or salary, and that, you know, that £100 can only be split so many ways. And if the cost of transacting what you do goes up, you make a decision. You're either in it and you want to be involved, or you do something else.
Well, I mean, the government has, you know, in its conversations with Lloyds Banking Group and RBS, you know, asked them to do certain things, and I think the government has done what it can do. But ultimately, you know, we have excellent banks in this country. They have had a knock and are finding their way, you know, back onto their own feet and have this money to lend. Their balance sheets are in much better shape. I don't think there is anything that the government can do.
We've got to be smarter at getting the message out to all sorts of businesses and all sorts of sectors. How, you know, what is it we've got?
I mean, there is one area I think the government could help. One of the problems we do see, particularly the smaller companies, is the quality of the proposal we actually receive. And there is a big advantage if the quality of the proposal is better. And what customers have gone to BusinessLink, have used some of the government schemes, we've got a much better chance of getting the bank to say yes. If they could extend that scheme and perhaps grow it further, I think that will help.